Get your Google slide ready to wow your audience. So let's walk through everything that you need to do before presentation day. Make sure your work is neat and professional by checking it for spelling errors. Fix any red underlines you see and don't skip this step. To find Spellcheck, all you have to do is go up to Tools and then choose Spelling and the very top one. We'll walk you through any suggestion that Google has for words that are not found in its library. So you can, again, go to Tools, Spellcheck, and then click right here to look for anything. You can either choose to ignore or accept the suggestions. You can also add a little sparkle with transitions or animations, but keep it simple. To find transition, all you have to do is click on Slide, go down to Transition, and you'll see over on the right you have a menu. The default is that there is none. But all you have to do is click right here on this arrow and you'll see the different possible transitions that can be added to your slide. And you can test these out by pressing play, and then you can see what it looks like. To go to the next one, click stop, and then go back here, and then you can choose whichever one you'd like and then press play to see it again. You can also change the speed. You can go slow, medium, or fast. My recommendation is that you do not slow it down because then it really delays your presentation and then people could lose interest. If you want to apply the transition to each slide, all you have to do is click Apply to All Slides. It's fun to have different transitions for each slide, but when you're doing a presentation in front of a large group, sometimes that can be distracting, and so an easy solution is just apply to all slides. If you want to add an animation to a paragraph or to an object, when you click on that object, you click there and highlight it, go back up to Insert, and then you can click Animation. Over here, you will see that the default is Appear. You can choose what you'd like it to do. All of these are animations, so you could have it fly out to the left and then press play, and then you can see how it will work. And we can click and see that it flies out to the left and then press stop. It's just like it was for transitions. Again, you can change the speed as well. Here's something else you can also select. Do you want it to happen when you click on the slide, or do you want it to happen after the previous animation, or really when the new slide comes in, or do you want to have it at the same time as something else on the same page has been animated? It's up to you. All you have to do is click around and try it and then press play to see how it looks. Check that everything is easy to read. Your audience needs to see and understand your slides. You want to use large, readable fonts. Stick with bold colors that contrast with your background. And every slide should have a clear title and not too much text. When you're finished, make sure you use the present or slideshow mode and play through the slideshow from start to finish and ask yourself, does everything show up correctly? Are the transitions working the way that you want? And are the slides in the right order? To go to presentation mode, all you have to do is click slideshow, and then your presentation mode will come just like this, and you can go through the slide by clicking your arrow buttons on your keyboard. Before you present, make sure that if you have any blank slides that aren't being used, that you delete them. And if you see typed instructions that I've put in your slide, make sure that you take those out as well. For example, for add the team members, you could highlight that right there and then press delete or backspace. Then the last thing you need to do is decide who is going to present each slide. It's teamwork time. So go slide by slide and decide who's going to speak during each one. What will you say? And does everyone have a part? Practice together a few times if time allows, and make sure it flows really well. You're a team and every voice matters. And when all 6 steps are done, your group is ready to shine. And I cannot wait for everyone to see your presentations.